Oh, bad boy. The P1. Monterey Car Week 2023. Day number 2. Let me just flip around here, make sure we get it in screen. There we go. Chiron Super Sport. So that is number 4. We saw the 3 lined up yesterday. I'm gonna get my face off the camera so we can flip this around and check it out. Yeah, pretty classy looking spec, still with the blue carbon accents on it. And it looks like it's got the sort of like two-tone, like dark blue and white seats on it as well. It does have the 5-spoke wheels, not the multi-spokes that we did see yesterday. And yeah, just another like nice touch that I do like there. Just those little ED110 style vents. Not bad. Really, really good start. Hey guys, just a quick step away from the Chiron Super Sport. We've got, look at that, LaFerrari in silver. I don't think this is Argento Nürburgring. It has like a bit of a blue flake to it. So I'm not really sure in the color code. What is cool about this one though, these are actually the FXXK wheels, so 10 spokes. I think the standard LaFerrari is the 5-spoke wheels. So yeah, this one does have the FXXK wheels. Yellow ceramics, obviously. Just looks so good on this thing. My goodness. Just never ever get tired of seeing LaFerraris. Alright, same hotel as the Chiron Super Sport and LaFerrari. I gotta point out the trucks, guys. Look at this. The 2 Hennessy's. Got the Ram T-Rex, the Mammoth 1000, so presumably 1,000 horsepower out of that big old Hennessy T-Rex. And then look at that. 6x6 Hennessy Velociraptor. So I don't know what kind of power this is putting out, but I mean, it's a 6-wheeled Ford freaking Raptor, so that's pretty damn cool on its own. Look at how huge the bed is at the back. Like, man, oh man, that is what I call a longtail. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what this rest of HUD is. Thought it was a Gunther Works, but it's not, definitely not Singer. Sounds really good. Those taillights are really nice too. It says Daydream on the back. Have to look that up. Random little side street. Trailer opens up. Boom. Jaguar D-Type. Mid-50s Le Mans winner. I believe it's won twice. And yeah, it's just worth millions and millions of dollars. I think it's a roof CTR2 maybe sitting back there, just looking by the wing. Or maybe it's just a custom 911, not sure. But there's the prize right there, the Jaguar D-Type. That's absolutely insane. Just peak car week things. Nice.
Oh, it's a Porsche. Porsche 906.
I think it's a 906 or a 904. Oh, wow.
Oh,
okay, yeah, we had to stop. Because it wasn't just a plain F40, it's an F40 LM. So you can see the different style wing. Obviously, the carbon fiber, we got the gurney flap on the back there. And yeah, this was the big tell, the different OZ Racing 5-spoke wheels. And obviously, inside is looking a little different, a little more race car-like. And yeah, having the front off is pretty cool. So it's getting loaded up onto the trailer. So timing was pretty perfect for us, guys. An F40 LM with no front end. Yes, that's the F40 LM front bumper they take off just to get the car in. See, the headlights are a little different. Front split is different. The car up there looks like a 356. It's actually way different. The truck driver, who is like a walking encyclopedia, it's good to know, told us that is actually a Gmund, or I think that's how you pronounce it. So one of the first Porsches ever made, named after the town in Austria where it was built before they were actually built in Germany. So apparently only 49 of them, and that is number 49. So incredibly historical piece from Porsche. Absolutely incredible. Can't imagine how valuable that is. Yeah, just the things you find at Car Week. So there it goes, up onto the trailer, the F40 LM, and the very nice truck driver did inform us that it is number 19. So if my calculations are correct, I believe there are only 19 made. So this will be the last variation of the F40 LM ever made, being loaded up onto the trailer here at what we dub as Trailer Alley. Mr. Sheep in an Ontario plated GT Black Series. Represent! Let's go! Holy, look at that. It's like Arctic Ice Blue P1, Red 765 or 675 LT. Boom. Look at that, guys. what a find on Tuesday here in Monterey, an underground Koenigsegg Lair. So I think most of these we did see back at the OC meet in our Car Week pregame. However, there are a couple new ones here, mainly the CC850, which debuted at Monterey Car Week last year at the Quail. This is that incredible sort of resto mod tribute to the original CC8S, the one that has that revolutionary gearbox that can switch between manual and automatic. If you haven't heard Christian von Koenigsegg talk about this car before, highly recommend you do it. The guy is just a genius and oozing with knowledge, and the looks of it are just incredible. Like, they did such a good job with this. It looks basically just like the CC850, but again, that resto mod style, just bringing it up with those modern touches. So good. And then look at the Jesko back here. I think this is the first standard Jesko I have seen, and finished in this striking electric blue color. My goodness, that looks so good. And it's just an absolute speed demon. And then look at the rear wing back here. It's incredible. Something like straight off a Le Mans prototype. Just how it's connected to the roof line. That rear wing does flip up, serve as a huge air brake under heavy braking. So many good angles on this car. My gosh, that is incredible. And then back over here, yeah, we did see these cars back in the OC at the Cars and Coffee. The Regera, white with the blue carbon fiber, the CCXR edition over there, the Wyra Roadster. Unbelievable. Might as well get another look at them quickly while we're here. The full exposed carbon fiber on the CCXR. Look at that carbon fiber wheels, that little rear wing that is different from the standard CCX. Just makes it more extreme. And then yeah, the full exposed carbon fiber Pagani Wyra Roadster with the blue carbon accents, blue interior. Oh my. This is peak Car Week in a nutshell here, guys. Yeah, I mean, we could just stare at these forever. Pretty insane to have this amazing collection of Koenigseggs just sitting here in the underground on their lonesome. My goodness. And yeah, there's just another side shot of the Jesko there. Absolutely beautiful. So last year they only had the Absolute here. So the Absolute is the more top speed one, streamlined. Doesn't have that huge rear wing. I do like the wing a little better, I think. It just suits the car really well. It's so extreme, as every Koenigsegg basically is. And yeah, again, that blue is just so striking. Absolutely incredible. Look at that, the Aston Martin V8 Zagato. So we did see a red one back in Tokyo, and pretty sure there's only like, oh man, about 50 or so. Pretty radical looking car. Yeah, definitely that old school wedge shape to it. So yeah, quick fact check. It's 52 coupes were built, and there was 37 convertibles as well. And yeah, like the red one that we saw back in Tokyo, just a lot of cool, interesting features. The NACA duct, sort of like F40 style, the big bubble on the hood there. And yeah, it's probably not the prettiest Aston Martin, I would say. We see all little Zagato Zs everywhere, but still cool, white on blue. Very nice, classy spec. Look at that, what do we spy here? That is the new Mercedes Vision 111, like electric EV hypercar concept. I think this just got unveiled online like a few days ago, and we're just seeing it randomly offloading here at the Mercedes house by Pebble Beach. I don't know if we can get any closer, but I don't even know if anyone's really supposed to be seeing this right now, but you know, we happen to be driving by and never know what you're gonna see at Car Week. There you go, cover off of the Vision 111 Mercedes concept. Again, just from afar, I'm sure we'll probably at some point get closer to it towards the end of the week, but nevertheless, it's cool to see it very early, even if it is from a distance. I mean, look at that, it doesn't even have windows on the side. I guess it's just all cameras. That is pretty wild looking, guys. Look at that, guys. There is the spot of Car Week so far. Mumbles the dog. We're dubbing that the official mascot of Car Week, the goodest doggo right there in his sidecar. Oh, he's getting pulled over! Oh, bad boy, the P1. Oh my, look at this trio cruising through the streets of Carmel. We've got F50, Zonda F, white with red carbon accents, which looks incredible. Sort of similar to Dr. K's that we saw quite a few times in Tokyo, except yeah, this one does have a bit of red carbon on the back, it looked like. And the rest of it's just plain black carbon. Absolutely insane. Much rarer to see a Zonda here than back in Tokyo, because yeah, Zonda Fs were never road legal here, so this is pretty nuts to see that driving around. And then we've got the blue YRBC that we saw back on day one in the parking garage, now is out in the flesh. And yeah, have a look, that blue interior is matching the exterior. Man, oh man, that's quite the combo, guys. I mean, we are doing it big here at Car Week 2023, and it's still so early in the week. Not bad, guys, not bad at all. Look at the aesthetic. A Zonda F in the US. Pretty darn sick. That's a very, very good find.
On the side?
Look at that, guys. What a way to end Tuesday, day 2 at Car Week. I thought we left Japan, but apparently we didn't. Look at that, Honda S660. I have no idea what this thing is doing over here in California. It's very far away from being legal. 25-year import rule in the States. But look at that, spoon, brakes, 5 spokes on it as well. Man, count all the spoon stickers on it. Windshield, under the mirror. Man, oh man, that is so cool to see. Feel like we're back in Japan. So yeah, kudos to this guy for bringing this over for Monterey Car. I'm assuming it's just like on a temporary show and display plate, something like that. Nevertheless, I think that's a pretty cool way to end day 2 with a nice little surprise, the S660. So yeah, tons of cool stuff again, and we already know it's only going to get crazier here at Monterey Car Week, guys. So without further ado, I think we'll call it a day, get some rest or whatever rest we can, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for day 3.